Hey, what's up? It's GroBroz Fitness back in the house! And today we got a special one for you guys. But string me! And then what? Just string me! And then what? String me! And then what?
I'm strong. And I got muscle. On top of my muscle.
And today we got a special tip for you guys why you should never train your shoulders. And as usual, it's pretty damn cold down here, so that's why you gotta bundle up.
I said to stop doing that.
The first reason why you never want to train your shoulders is because the rear delts are so hard to bring up, so you might as well just f***ing give up. And the second reason why you should never train your shoulders is because the shoulders consist of the front delt, the side delt, and the rear delt, and the rear delt is hard to... and the rear delt is hard to bring up, so just f***ing give up. Give up! And whoever's telling you not to train your shoulders, I want to know why. Because the GroBroz train shoulders. Why? Why? GroBroz train shoulders. Can't you tell? And that's the reason why you should always train your shoulders.
So, stop with those ugly ass
faces! We like our shoulders round.
round, round and round. Were you laughing?